Absolutely clean. You can see. I'm gonna be testing those frosts I bought from Temu. You can see them here. I got this cordless drill, but I'm gonna use this one here. Plug it from the power. Let's see. Let's do this tire here. As you can see how dirty it is. This one here. You can see it's clean. Let's do this one. See, gonna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna do everything. As you can see, it's cleaning. How to do it, all those tires. Absolutely cleaning. Absolutely clean. You can see. It's cleaning. I need to clean this side.